Roblox man. Back on the Velmac channel. So guys, I'm in a truck. See? And guys, there's music. Guys, you see my hair? Bro. I bet you like it. So guys, look. I got my ball and my chips. Bro, this is kind of fun. Bobby, say hi. Bobby said, he said hi. So guys, look, I got a ball. Guys, watch it. Oh my god, guys, I almost fell. Guys, we're in a red light. So, oh my god, bro, no way. So guys, bro, look at my hair, it looks so fresh. Guys, sorry that's songs. Oh my god. So guys, if you like my stuff, Puppy, can I get my water? Guys, I'm gonna get my water. Bro, there's trucks everywhere. There's a truck right there too. Bro, look. You see that? Bro, we're going up. Guys, I bet we're gonna jump. I'm scared. No! I don't want to hear, guys. But we're almost there. Guys, we're almost there. No, bro. Guys, I'm not joking. But look. But we're almost there. Oh my god, bro. Guys, no. Guys, we're almost. Dude, just. Oh my. Guys, dude, just cut. Guys, we're going 3. Bro. I'm doing a video. Yeah, I did my grandpa's truck. Yeah, this is my grandpa's truck. Guys, yeah, he's saying hi. See, saying hi. So guys, bro, look at the bed too, guys. The bed is so nice. Bro, I'm wearing my Batman outfit. So, and guys, I'm gonna give a huge shout out to Cadillac. He's been watching my videos, so he's gonna get money. He's gonna get three money because he been watching my videos, and so I'm gonna give him that money at school. So peace out, guys. Congratulations, congrats Cadillac. Watch their video called Michelle Chewy. So